Hello, this video is reference to Empowering Women Through Entrepreneurship Program. I am Shailaja, a partner at Love for Food. Love for Food is a registered firm under MSME. It is now about 2.5 years into operations. We have started this venture with the principal idea of serving safe and healthy food to all and with special attention to the senior citizens. I manage client engagement, customer experience management and business development initiatives in addition to the day-to-day operations. Quality assurance in the entire value chain is my primary focus to ensure safe food. When I talk about my journey, I have had passion for cooking, which I realized when trying my hand on varied cuisines for my family. My shift from an IT professional to a homemaker and to an entrepreneur was not a planned journey. However, my passion led me into this line of business. My first foray into business was with chocolates under the name Silo Chocos, a bundle of joy. The tagline was the objective in getting into this. Spreading bundles of joy had been and is my vision. A customer-centric approach shaped each of my order into a personalized gift-making art than a mere product delivery. This has given me good exposure into market, the competition, the differentiation of product and service offerings and improved planning of the supply chain. To extend my services to elders, I have founded Love for Food, which caters to customized multi-cuisine menus and personalized meal to our customers in need of a controlled diet. Our customer base is across age groups and is worth to mention that couple of our customers are centurions. Safe food is my first objective and adopt a no compromise approach in achieving it constantly. I believe that the food should speak for itself as a first message. This helped Love for Food to be more visible and reckoned with amongst its growing customers, building the trust with the customers by complete transparency in the relations. We invite our customers or prospects to experience for themselves the hygiene and safe working conditions where their food is prepared. In my entrepreneur journey so far, 80% of my support staff have been and are women, grooming them to be more confident and empowered through skill development. My dream is in helping them and help their families and the company. My vision of giving bundles of joy with every bite is not limited to the taste and presentation, but also in helping its customers towards healthy and feel good factor. My search for creating healthy and tasty packaged foods for people is continuous and I am investing more energy into it. In this contest, I have enrolled and attended a 3-week certification course from Indian Institute of Millets Research, IIMR, which gave me a 360 view of the ecosystem. I have formulated and developed multi-health products and few of them were available online and in offline stores. My primary requirement now is in taking my idea to the market and in monetizing them and providing more bundles of joy. Your program probably is the right platform for the needed inputs and insights for an effective approach in my effort. Thank you very much.